Hi, today you will learn how to add gate with effect to video in Kdenlive. So if you want to do it, first you need to go to project bin settings, and after that you need to drag and drop your video to the timeline. Then you need to select your video and you need to open effects tab. It is very important to do it because here we will be able to find this effect, yeah? So I click on the search field and I type here gate with. Now on motion settings we can find this effect, so we can drag and drop this effect to our video, and here you can modify the interval settings, maximum horizontal movement settings and maximum vertical movement settings. For example, I will increase it to 0.5 and the same with the maximum vertical movement. I will add here the value 0.5. And now let's play the previous version of this video. So it is before the editing, so it is really a great video. Let's check now how it works with edited versions. So I will stop this video and I will play this one video, yeah? So the effect is really visible here. If I helped you to add this effect to video, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's not your problem.